to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how temperature and volume affect solubility. Now here, we have our saturated solution. Now we are going to see how volume is going to affect this solubility. I mean, whether this salt is going to dissolve. Now remember, at this given volume and this temperature, the solute cannot able to dissolve because it is saturated. Now if we want to dissolve this solute, we need to increase the volume, because we learned that volume is a factor that affects solubility. Now we need to increase the volume. Come over, we show you the volume. And we stare, we see. What are we observing? The solute is dissolving. Now if you stare to a point whereby it does not dissolve all, you need to increase the volume again. Let's check. Small, increase again. Increase the volume. Now, what have you observed? The solute has dissolved. So volume is a factor that affects solubility. Now the next one also is going to be temperature. Now in temperature, so here now, we are going to measure, let's say we measure 10 ml or 5 ml of water. And in this 5 ml of water, we put it in a test tube. Now from here now, we will prepare a saturated solution with this volume of water. Then we stir it. Still, let's add small so that we are able to see the solute clearly. Now here now, we prepare our saturated solution. Now in this state now, not all the solute is able to dissolve. Yes, we are seeing some solute there. Now let's see now how temperature will affect this solubility. Let's see how it is going to affect this solubility. Yes. Now we have our heating mantle. We are heating water using a beaker, and this instrument is called a heating mantle. Now we are going to dip this test tube inside, and we stir it as time goes on. We see whether this solute will dissolve, because the temperature at here and here is different. Yeah, so let's see. Let's leave it for a moment. Now we are heating our test tube. This is a test tube holder. Now let's check now here what is happening. Yeah, let's stir it. Let's wait for a moment. Let's check again. Yes. So we've observed that the salt particles have dissolved. Why? Because the temperature has increased, and temperature is a factor that affects solubility. So this is an experiment that shows that solubility can be affected by either increasing the volume of the solvent or increasing the temperature of the solvent. So thank you very much for watching this video. See in my next video how hot water and cold water affects the rate of dissolving. Thank you.